This video will show you how to add comments to an Acrobat Reader document, a PDF, as long as it has enabled commenting. So the first thing that you'll want to do is download the item. So if it's in an email, you might be able to save it directly to your desktop or other place, or if it's in a browser, you may need to hover down toward the bottom and you're going to see a little disk, and then you're going to save it to your desktop that way. If it's saved to the desktop, then you're going to want to make sure that you open this up in Reader and not in a browser, because you can't edit in a browser. So you're going to right click on this and say Open With, and make sure you choose Reader. Then the document opens. And then if you want to make a comment, you'll need to double click on an item where you want to insert the comment and click Add a Note. And then you can type in whatever you'd like to say about that. When you're done, don't forget to resave the document. You can hit the Control S, and then it's going to ask you, you might want to call it edited or something like that after you're done putting the comments, and make sure that you see where you're saving it to the desktop or wherever, and click Save. Then you can attach it to an email and send it back to the person.